everyone, welcome back to my channel Rise with English featuring Garima, and today also this video is about the part 2 of word wall, and in this video we are going to learn more about the activities of the word wall. And as you know, the word wall is very much helpful in making the class, making the activities, making the learning, making the knowledge more interesting, more fun. So without wasting any time, let us start. First, what we will do, we will click on this create activity. As I click on this create activity, today I am going to tell you about this matchup 1. So let us put a very beautiful name, like for example gender, and I'll write down the instruction. Let us say match the correct one. I'll write down the keywords and the definition. What is the thing which we have to keep in mind now? That the question you will have to write here and the answer you will have to write here. So the question I'll write is, Vixen is the female of fox. So if you want to add any image, as I said in the last video, that if you want to add an image you can add, and here also I'm going to add an image, Vixen and fox. Which one is looking nice? Okay, let's take this one, though it is not related, it's the baby fox. Let's take the next question, which is, teacher is the, we all know that it is a common gender. So I'll take again the image of the common gender or any related to it, and here of teacher. So no, happy teacher. Yes, this one is fine. Okay, it is showing error in downloading it. Let's take this one. If it is fine, yes, it is fine. Now the thing which we have to keep in mind is that we need minimum 3 questions over here. It is written over here, as you can see. We need minimum 3 questions. So let us write another question, that is Almira is a, we all know that it is a neuter gender. So let us click on it, neuter gender, and let us find out about Almira. And which one is most beautiful? This one, pink one. Okay, I'm going to take this pink one. So after this, what we are gonna do, we are simply click on done, and we are ready to play. As it is loading, if you want to change any setting, as I said in the last video as well, if you want to change any setting, you can change, like no timer I need, I don't want to show answer, but yes I want to, so apply to this activity, and I have applied. Moreover, what is the most important thing in this is that these theme. So I'm going to take my favorite one, that is jungle one. So let us start. Almira is a neuter gender. Teacher is the, you simply have to keep it and you will have to drag it to the correct one. Vixen is the female of fox. Submit answer. So my total score is 3 and I have taken 24 seconds to complete it. If you want to see the leaderboard, you can see it. If you want to see answers, you can see it. If you want to start again the game, you can start it out. So it is very simple for all of us to play it. Now the most important thing is that if you want to change the theme, you can change. I'll take this one. This is also the nice one, Wild West. Almira is a, let's do this time incorrect. Teacher is the fox, teacher is the fox, and Almira is a common noun, common gender, sorry. Zero score. So in this way you can make your class more interesting. I have one more for you, which is the horrible one. This is the last, okay? Okay, so I know that was too horrible. Almira is the neuter gender. Vixen is the female of fox. Teacher is the common gender. Okay, so in this way you can play this as well. So these are the ways you can make your classroom more interesting. And yeah, here few more templates are given. If you want to use them, you can use these templates as well, like this quiz one in the same theme. Now it will come in this way. The same theme is there, but the new template. The crossword is there. Crossword is also very much interesting. Okay, find the match is there. Okay, so Almira is a. So in this way you can make your class more interesting. Vixen is the female of fox. And yes, teacher is his common gender. So yeah, we are done with it. I hope that you like the video. If yes, then do like my video and share with your share this video with the little ones, and yeah, especially the teachers, if you know anyone, and if she needs any guidance in making the class more interesting and catchy. So yes, you can just share this video with that teacher. And yeah, thank you. And yes, one more thing is there, that again I received messages on my Instagram handle that when you have shared that link of the quiz, we had no idea about it, so can you share it? So my dear one, yes, I'm going to share it today as well. I have made one new game for you all. It is related to gender. So if you want your name, if you want that I should take your name in the next video, so play that game. This link is available in the comment box. So go play that game. That is the new game which I have made for you all, that is related to gender. So go check it out, and thank you for watching the video. Do share it with your friend, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.